Good morning, my dear students, the students of grade 4. Today's lesson is a spelling, which is silent consonants. The consonants, you know that we have consonant sounds and we have vowel sounds. Today's lesson, we are going to talk about the silent consonants. We have some words here. We will check one by one. But before we start, you have to know that Cambridge Online Dictionary is our source. This is the one that we check all the words that we want to know the meaning, and you want to put it in a sentence, for example, so you can use a Cambridge Dictionary. It's so useful, guys. So let's go back again to the words. The word is in here in silent consonants. Let's start with the first one. Listen, please. This is the word. But listen.
Island.
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 Island. Island is a piece of land completely surrounded by water, like this one in here. This is an island. It's completely surrounded by water, like in here. Yes, this is island. And you can see that the S here, that S here is a silent consonant. This is the silent consonant in here, in the first word. The second one,
Castle.
castle. Castle.
Castle.
Castle. Castle is a large, strong building built in the past by a ruler or important person to protect the people inside from attack. This is the castle, guys. This is the castle. Okay, it's a very large building that was built in the past by a very important man or a ruler to help the people inside from attack or to protect them from attack. And in here you will find that the word castle, T is silent in here. The T is silent in here. The T letter is silent in here. The next one.
Autumn.
Autumn in here, you will find that the N consonant is silent, and this is one of the seasons of the year. We have 4 seasons in the year. We have summer, winter, autumn, and we have fall. So we have summer, winter, autumn, and spring, guys. Yes, and spring. So we have summer, winter, autumn, and spring. Summer, winter, autumn, and spring. In autumn here, you will find that N is silent. N is a silent letter in autumn. The next one.
Climber.
Climber. Climber. B is silent in here, so it's climber. Climber is someone who climbs mountains, for example, or someone who is climbing something high. So climber, the B letter in here is silent. This is the first column, guys. The second one.
Column.
Column. Column, like this column, for example, I have got here, this is the first column, this is the second column, this is the third column, the fourth one, and this is the fifth and last one. Okay, this is the meaning of column. And in column, you will find that the N at the end in here is a silent consonant. The next one. Yeah, this one is
Thumb.
thumb. So it's not thumb, it's your thumb. So when I say, for example, thumb, the thumb of my hand, thumb, it means this finger. This finger is a thumb. This finger is a thumb. It's not thumb. B is silent here at the end. The next one. The next one, check. Yeah, listen.
Knuckle.
Knuckle. You can find that the first K in here is silent. Knuckle, in knuckle. And knuckle, one of the joints in the hand with your fingers bend in like this one in here. This is the knuckle. This is your knuckle. And this is your knuckle. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 knuckles in here. Knuckle is a giant. This is a giant. Okay? You can see this one clear when you bend your finger or when you bend your hand. So this is your knuckle. Okay? Back again. Last one in the second column.
Limb.
Limb as well. The B here at the end is silent. Limb. Limb is an arm or a leg of a person or animal. This is the limb. So the limb is an arm or a leg of a person or animal. The next one in column number 3.
Knee.
Yeah, knee, it means this one in here. This is the knee. The knee is the middle joint of the leg that allows the leg to bend. This is the knee. This is your knee. And you can find that K letter in here is silent. The next one.
Half.
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 Half. You know the meaning of half. Half, when I have something, for example, and I divide it into 2 pieces. So this is half and this is another half. So I can say that half is either of the 2 equal or nearly equal parts that together make up a whole. Okay, this is half. Next one. Listen.
Numb.
Yeah, the word numb as well, the B is silent in here. The B letter at the end is silent in here. And the numb, it means if a part of your body is numb, it means you are unable to feel it, usually for a shorter time. So when my leg, for example, is numb, it means that I am unable to feel it, usually for a shorter time, So when you do not feel your body or a part of your body for a shorter time, this is the meaning of numb. B is silent in here.
Plumbing.
Listen to this one.
Plumbing.
Plumbing, it means that the B letter in here is silent. Plumbing. Plumbing is the water pipes in similar system in a building. This is plumbing. So if I say plumbing, it means the water pipes and the similar system in a building. This is plumbing. B is silent in here. The next one.
Often.
Often, this is American.
Often.
Yes, and often as well, this is the British accent. And often in here, often it means many times, and you can find the T is silent in here. And sometimes, guys, they pronounce often. In British accent, they say often. So it's often and often. But often, this one is pronounced in the British accent. While in American accent in here, we don't have T, so the T letter in the middle in here is silent. Next one.
Ring.
Ring. Ring, it means that the W in here is a silent consonant. So W is a silent consonant in here in this word. And it means to hold something tightly with both hands. and twist it by turning your hands in opposite direction. This is the meaning of ring. So ring, it means to hold something tightly. It means very strong with both hands, and twist it by turning your hands in opposite directions. The next one.
Illinois.
Illinois. You can find that in Illinois, the S letter at the end is a silent letter. And Illinois, it's a state in the central US, in the United States. It's a state like a city. It's a state in the central US. Illinois is a city. Illinois is a city in America. And the whose capital city is Springfield, and whose largest city is Chicago. So after Illinois, the American city, we have
unwritten,
unwritten.
unwritten,
Unwritten, it means in here that T, the second one in here, is not stressed. So it's a silent letter. I can say that it's a silent letter in here. So unwritten, it means something that is unwritten, does not exist in a written or printed form. So something that is unwritten does not exist in a written or printed form. Okay. The next one. Listen.
known,
Known. Known, you can find that K is silent in here. Known. And it's used to refer to something or someone that is familiar to you or understood by people. Known, it means someone or something that is known by people or many people know it. I want to go back again to the word written because we have another silent letter in here, guys. It was unwritten, right? Yeah, you can find that as well in here. The W is silent. This is the silent consonant in the word unwritten. So unwritten, this is the W in here. This is a consonant, the consonant or the silent consonant in here. We've got another T in here, but W is the first one, is the first letter in this word that is a consonant one. Okay, guys. So unwritten, we have the W in here. The next one.
whistle,
In whistle, you can find that the T letter in here is a consonant letter. The T letter is a consonant letter in here. And whistle, it means to make a high sound by forcing air through a small hole or passage, especially through the lips or through a special device held to the lips. Okay, guys, this is whistle. So whistle, T in here is a silent consonant. The next one.
Rhyme.
Rhyme, this word is that rhyme have the same last sound. When I say that those words are rhymed together or are rhyming together, it means that they have the last sound. Okay, the last sound, like blue, for example, and flew. Blue, flew. Okay, so rhyme, you can find that the H letter in here is a silent letter. The last one.
close,
Close.
Clothes.
even in the British accent. So close, I have
close,
close. You can find that the S at the end in here is not pronounced, so it's a silent consonant letter. The last one in here, close. So I say close. In close, the S letter at the end, I told you it's not pronounced. So close was the last word in the box. Please, guys, revise all of them again. And you have to, before you start answering all the questions in the page, try to mention each letter and each word in here to find it. You mention each letter, it means to mention the silent consonant letter in each word to make sure that you understand the lesson in a good way. This was today's lesson, guys. I hope you understand. Any questions, send me directly. See you in another lesson. Bye.